got my ginger ale today. I added a cherry and then the juice just kind of like turned my drink that color. But I've picked out my watermelon icon glass. She's so cute. And we're gonna have a drink. And this is a massive jackpot haul. Welcome back to my channel. In the month of June, I'm doing a summer series. So any kind of video that I'm putting out this month is just gonna have the summer vibes. So I hope you guys stay tuned and you're subscribed, you hit the bell. YouTube will notify you when I put out videos. So I think like Wednesday, we're gonna be decorating my house for summer and we're gonna do a 4th of July American theme. So come back for that. And today I have all the new summer drops from Dollar Tree in regards to skincare beauty. Let's dive in. So these are not new necessarily, but I was so happy that I found them again. They are a little scarce at my Dollar Tree. So when I do find them, I love to pick them up. These are body scrubs and they're by the brand The Spothicary. They don't drop as much as like Global Beauty Care or Be Pure, at least not at my Dollar Trees. But when they drop, I highly suggest you hunt for them and you find them, because I like to think that the Spothicary actually has some of the best products that they drop and some of the best packaging. They just don't drop as often. Then this one is a strawberry. These are going to be so cute to pack like a little summer basket or something just for anybody, especially if your love language is gift giving. You could definitely do it on a budget from Dollar Tree, but I think the strawberry smells so divine. And again, I love this packaging. So I got those. These are also be cute. Like if you have a guest bedroom, you have family coming into town, you want to like add a couple of little things into their bathroom. These could be a great pickup for that as well. Then I did pick up the Mondays shampoo and conditioner, the travel size. I'm actually going to be doing a summer travel sized everything video from Dollar Tree. So stay tuned. I feel like I don't have a proper drawer or cabinet at home that has like, somebody called it like, like, you know, when you're like, oh, I need, you know, ibuprofen, or I need this, or I need that. Like, obviously I have like ibuprofen, but I actually don't have the medicine cabinet that I think I should have at home. So I'm actually going to be doing a lot of hunting at Dollar Tree for those things. And I'm going to be doing like travel sized minis as well. So come back for that video. That's going to be part of the summer series. But this is the Smooth and Wheat Protein Shampoo and Conditioner. This actually goes for quite a bit at other stores. I believe I've seen them at Target. I also picked up some more Global Beauty Care cloths. Now this one I find very interesting. It has collagen and they're called cleansing cloths. Are they dry? I don't know. I want to open it. I want to tell you guys what I think. No, there's definitely something that it's like dipped in. It's definitely like wet and smells good. It doesn't really have a scent actually, so I can't say that it smells good, but it doesn't smell bad. Then I found this Sassy and Chic nail brush. This is definitely a new find, and don't worry about my nails. I'm actually going to get them done tomorrow. I'm gonna go get my favorite classic Coca-Cola red, so I'm so excited. So hopefully in tomorrow's video, you'll see that update. But anyways, I've never seen this before. There's 2 sides to this brush. Okay, then I picked up the Power Stick. So this is a dupe to the Sol de Janeiro, but I don't think Sol de Janeiro does wipes. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but Dollar Tree, they put out the body wash, they put out the hair body mist, and they have the face and body wipes. So this is in the Brazilian mist. So this is going to be the one that's the dupe to the 62. And then I found this, which I was so excited about. I've never seen this at Dollar Tree before. You get 2 for the $1.25. So I was really happy to find this. There's 2 to a pack. Like I said, on one side you have aloe vera, on the other side you have cucumber. And I don't know why, but when I first grabbed it, I thought it was like geared towards like just specifically eye makeup remover, but it's not. It's just your whole face. It's makeup cleansing wipes, which is really cool. I found a new toothpaste. I guess it kind of like tore open and opened on itself here, but here's what the tube looks like. That is a good tube of toothpaste. This is naturally derived, it has a peppermint flavor, fluoride free, which I love, paraben free, sweetener free, artificial dye free. It freshens your breath, it fights plaque, no artificial flavors, no animal testing, it's vegan, there's a lot of stuff on here. It's by Brush Buddies. More of the personal care body oils, especially this one. I watched I think she was like a dermatologist. Like she walked in a Dollar Tree and she picked this out and she was like, yes, this is really, really great. And so I just picked up another one. I actually prefer this one. This one's a vitamin E and this one is a coconut. But I've definitely been getting into the oils, especially being summertime. I love the look too of just being like, looking like I'm hydrated. Okay, next up, I could not believe my eyeballs. This big tube bottle, it's a bottle, not a tube, from Hask is at Dollar Tree. The conditioner. I did not find the shampoo, but it just dawned on me that I didn't look that great. So maybe the shampoo is there, but this is the volumizing conditioner. And this is actually one of my shampoos that I've used for a really, really long time. And I get it at Walmart. Then I found a new body wash by Personal Care. So Personal Care, they're the ones that are duping the Native body wash. So literally the packaging and everything almost one-to-one. So they're definitely duping that. This is the sweet pineapple and melon scented. It's the only one that I found. Comment. Oh my God. Comment and let me know what other bottle options there are, but holy crap, you guys, that actually smells insane. Like, I almost wonder if Native could even be any better than this. Like, this smells insane. I'm gonna have to go get more of this. I also picked up this gal. I've gotten her before, but I wanted to get it again. I just like the summertime effect of it. And I like that I can actually travel with this. So these are gonna be my little travel buddies. I'm actually gonna take them with me. And this one is hyaluronic acid. This one specifically though by Global Beauty Care, while these two were the Spothicary. So this one's just the hyaluronic acid and body butter. It's not a scrub, it's a body butter. So you could scrub with this and then body butter here. The product, but just a body butter. Pocket tissue, I thought they were so cute. I love the little crayons. So I had to get that. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before and I love having those on hand. It's one of those things where like I restock all the time. Then I got more of these face masks. I love the orange of it. Definitely gives summertime. When I was a little girl, I would drink orange Fanta and my dad would make me French fries. It was like the first snack I ever remember having as a child. And so when I see like orange drinks and Fantas, like just takes me to summertime personally. Fanta is not one of those drinks that I think of in the winter. Like it is a summertime drink to me. But comment and let me know like what's your summertime drink. Okay. Then while we're on drinks and then we're gonna finish up with skincare in a second, look at what I found at Dollar Tree. I lost my mind. So these are actually mocktails. And so there's no alcohol. It says, y'all, it says without alcohol, hangover, and carbonation. That is so funny. Is that shade? I don't even know. But it's best served chilled or frozen. So these are kind of like a frozen margarita. So you can hear it's a liquid right now, but again, I'm gonna throw these in the freezer. I grabbed a few because I just had an inkling. I was like, why do I feel like I'm gonna pop one of these in the freezer? I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna come back. They're gonna go viral and they're gonna be gone. I mean, there were boxes and boxes of this. So I got 4 and they are supposed to be like a strawberry margarita. Like even the packaging is cute. I can drink here and there. Like when we go on our Florida family vacation, The place that we go to, my favorite drink is a banana daiquiri. They make the best banana daiquiri, and that does have alcohol in it. I sometimes also drink red wine, but otherwise I'm more of a mocktail girl. I really am. I don't want to drink alcohol all the time. It's not really my thing, but I'm very excited to try this. So unfortunately, I don't have one ready to give a review, but just wanted to put you guys on that. And it seems so summery and fun. Then I found this one, another slushie. So yeah, Tampico, am I saying that wrong? This is the citrus punch, but it looks good. I only got one of these because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like that. This one I was like, I feel like I'm gonna love that. So I got multiples of it. I don't even know like who this is, but if you know, comment, let us know. But this whole thing rang up $1.25. And it's one of those deals where somehow Dollar Tree, you know, maybe acquired it. They were selling, getting rid of their stuff, and now we're getting it for $1.25. But is there going to be a restock? Probably not. It's like one of those things. Right? This is a Lift and Firm day and night cream set with peptides and collagen, and has a youthful glow. I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'm sure I'm adding video overlay here for you guys to see, but wow, she is gorgeous straight out of the packaging. Here's another awesome find. This is by Spascriptions. Now this brand I've seen at Dollar Tree. I believe it's like a handshake, and they put out stuff a lot. But this is the glowing facial oil. This is what I've been waiting from Dollar Tree for such a long time, because I need a facial oil to do gua sha. I remembered lymphatic drainage. But you need a facial oil. You don't want a gua sha on bare skin. And I finally got one from Dollar Tree here for you guys to see it. But the packaging is so pretty. It is in a glass bottle, you guys. That's always impressive to me. Here is another product from Spascriptions Clinicals, but this is the brightening facial serum. Look how massive this bottle is. Feels like glass. Yeah, it's glass. But this is an anti-aging. It's got the dropper in here, but absolutely gorgeous. The next one also blew my mind the moment I saw this gold. It's by Physique. So it's the same brand as this one right here. So this is an all-in-one eye serum with caffeine, collagen, azelaic acid. It has a brightening, plumping, and smoothing effect. And it also has a dropper. I believe that's glass as well. Yeah, but another dropper effect. I saw everyone, and I finally found two of them. So these are by Global Beauty Care, and they are my favorite skincare brand at Dollar Tree. I love Be Pure. I love the Spapicary. I love Personal Care. Those are all some of my favorites. These are the Lip Sleeping Mask, and they are so cute. Let me just zoom in one more time. Look how cute those are. So this green one is the Gummy Bear, and this one's Mango. Gummy Bear, Mango. And like it said, it's a sleeping mask, so you're gonna put it on before you go to sleep. And I'm just gonna insert a clip here. I don't wanna open them right now because I might use them for my thumbnail, or I'm gonna throw it in my tote because I'm gonna have a summer tote. Come back, we're gonna pack that. Actually, I think I might make that a members only video. So you definitely should join my membership. It's $5.99 a month. You get 3 extra videos a week. And I do all the other videos that you don't get to see here. I can color, I do junk journaling. I haven't colored yet, but if you want like all of those things, I did a planner setup of my planner, and which is over here. So I set up this whole planner in my member videos, and then you guys have asked me for specific hauls. Like somebody asked me for a Burlington's haul. I did that. I mean, you can literally request anything you want over in my membership. So it's only $5.99, and I think I'm gonna be packing my tote and I'm gonna put a bunch of like cute little mini products in it. I think I'm gonna do that over there. But anyway, so I was hunting for these and I'm so glad I found them. And that is my Dollar Tree haul for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely hit up Dollar Tree. Comment down below. Actually, let me know what you're on the hunt for. I sometimes don't even know what's going on and what's out there floating around sometimes. So definitely let me know in the comment section what is on your shopping list and what you're trying to find from Dollar Tree. But come back tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys the other half of this jackpot haul. All the summer stationery finds. You're going to want to see this because they're so cute and you could do so many adorable like summer gift baskets with them. So I'll see you guys tomorrow here at the same time, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll see you guys there. Bye.